We're here at Lakeside today with the two bikes. We've got Mila's bike all repaired up with the new decals on. What does it mean, Mila?
Little horse.
And what is it in Russian?
Loshatka.
Okay, Loshatka. That's the new name for the bike now, Little Horse. I don't know what. Yeah?
Yeah.
So all fixed, all done, all looking nice. Couple of little bits we didn't get round to because my house smells like a paint shop at the minute and it didn't go down very well with the neighbours. Here's mine. We put it away last time we were here and didn't touch it. So still the same tyres, 5-year-old, which is a bit scary but works them out. And this one, yeah, just put it away. So today we're back here. It's a nice, cool, calm day. Nice pedestrian walking past there. Good looking pedestrian, sorry, I missed that bit out. And yeah, have some fun today. Some more friends coming down. Mila's out in the blue group again. I'm going out in the green group. If the tyres hold up, I'll go back into the yellow group. See if I can get some decent times around here. Mila's lent me a lap timer and I've figured out how to work this thing here. It's like got digimissals on it and buttons to press and I can't work that out. So how are you feeling today?
Pretty good.
Oh, 12 rounds, leather's all repaired. Mila repaired all leathers herself. A couple of little scars left on, but looks pretty good. So
Yeah.
hopefully we should have a good day, alright?
To the pit. 2-minute call for all riders in the 2-minute call for all riders in the green group.
Can I please get all bikes in the green group? All bikes in the green group.
happening?
You tell me.
It's an awesome day at Lakeside, that's what it is. Yeah, no, good man. Just getting a feel for it. Starting to get a feel for it.
So you got your bike, come on.
It's a 2007 Yamaha R6, I think. 600? No, it's an R6. It's my everyday commuter bike. Just thought I'd bring it out to the track. Everyone keeps telling me how good they are. Did not disappoint. What a weapon.
Yeah, they're good bikes.
Oh man. Yeah, that second session I really started giving it a bit more and pushing it, and it just sits pretty, man. It's planted.
Nice. Is it set up or just Did you set it up or yourself?
I've set it up for me, yeah.
You're
Could probably-
lightweight, aren't you?
Nah. I had to beef it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Because when I first got it, I'm hitting the brakes and it's just diving right
Yeah,
down.
yeah. We got a cable tie on there.
Nah, snapped it off.
You need to know where you are on your wheel. Uh-oh.
Yeah, a lot of fun that time.
What's that?
A lot of fun that time.
Yeah, beautiful, man. You're really watching it. You're doing really well. You're doing really well.
Oh, thanks.
That's not bad at all, man. Somebody's fallen off, so I'm going to go back. Mila's back, so she's alright. Yeah, I don't know who it is. I hope they're okay. But I'll see if Mila saw anything. Keep coming that way. Right, there's good. Stand it up straight for me. So I'll do one out. Yeah, that should do it. What happened?
Oh, somebody came off in the bus stop.
Before or after where you came
Same
off?
place.
Same place, yeah. I was watching your lines through there. You're a lot better through there, aren't you? You're coming out away from the side again?
Yeah.
That's alright. So, did you see him go down?
Only saw him when he was standing between the tires.
So he stood up alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good thing, alright.
He's with his bike.
Alright, well done. The morning session's over. How do you think it went today?
I think so far it's going well. I'm still upright, so
Yeah. And how's the bike feel?
feeling good. The new brakes are nice. So the last session, I was able to go a little bit more heavier on them before tipping in, and everything seems to be running smoothly.
Okay, what about those tyres on your bike? They've had a few sessions now. Do they feel like they're moving around at all, or are they still stable?
They're still stable.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm able to stay online with them, so I don't think that they're causing any troubles.
Okay, well, look at them. You can see you've got a bit of a suspension setup issue here, but they can't really do much today. After the crash, we didn't even check the bike out. We just put it back together again. You came out for testing today. We know it's straight, but I think these tyres are past the prime. That's a pressure issue. We know that one, but they're almost done now. So it's getting there. There's getting a lot of chewy uppy stuff, but unfortunately, we've only got one set of tyre warmers here today because somebody forgot the other set, didn't they, Mila? So we're sharing tyre warmers.
It was either tire warmers or coffee, so
Coffee one.
I almost forgot the coffee, so
So that was good. So we got that sorted out. But yeah, we're sharing tyre warmers. But no, it's going all right so far. I went out and chased Steph round on what I thought was her 400. It happens to be a 600. So when she passed me, I almost died in shock. She came past like I was stood still, and I thought, it can't be a 400. Yeah, it's a 6. So I'm happy anyway. I was doing about a minute 8, something round on this today, so it's not too bad. I've no confidence in the front end really, because you don't get much chance to get the tyre warmers on. After the lunch break, the warmers will have been on for half an hour, so a bit more confidence to push the front. I'll see if I can get back into the 7s or maybe even a 6, but we'll see. Unfortunately, Mila's lap timer decided to take a dive off the bike as I left the pit lane. So yeah, second tether didn't tether. It let go of the tether, so it's back on there now. It works. A little bit battle scarred. Not to mind too much because she bought that. I didn't buy that. Borrowed it off her. Anyway, well there you go. That's the update so far.
5 feet fall for all riders in the yellow group.